Good morning, everybody. Today we're hiking down at Mystic Beach with John and Dan. It's actually John's first time coming down here, and probably my first time in 2 years or something like that to be down here. It feels good, man. It feels good to be out here in nature. Sometimes you forget because you get lost in the hustle and bustle of the city and work and how much work sucks, that you forget like how nice it can be when you just get out there and get away. You just let it all go, right? You guys, I think there's dinosaurs in the woods. Look at this. It looks exactly like what shot Newman in the face. we better watch out. We're barely into the hike and we're lost already. Send help. We don't know if we're ever gonna get out. At the end of our journey, it might turn out that we're all dead and we died in the plane crash. Bruh. Oh, I see one, boys. Way up there. That's a trail marker. Yeah, the path goes that way. Dan, where did you guys see it? Oh, I see marker. I like to go that way. So let's continue with the spotting of the trail, but not necessarily the marker. We definitely took the wrong way. We were just listening for the sound of the waterfall, so we found it. You guys can probably hear it too. But that means if we found the waterfall, we're not gonna find the bridge. So we're gonna go check the waterfall out, because we've never seen this part of the waterfall. And then we'll hike back up the hills and then see if we can find the trail and the bridge and get ourselves back on track. We found this like waterfall here. Look at this, that we'd never been to before, because usually we see it on the beach. And trust me when I show you it right now, I'm not doing you justice. This is actually beautiful. And we're gonna stop here for a second, and I'm taking up the camera because I want to try and capture this. You guys, I almost died 2 times. One time we almost died collectively. We heard a widowmaker fall, which for those of you who don't know, a widowmaker is when a tree just randomly falls on you in the woods. We heard that. It was literally like 30 feet away. It was terrifying. And the other time was solo, when I was talking to you guys. I almost fell down this cliff. Good thing I had John and Dan with me to catch me before I fell. That was almost it. All right, let's keep going before I actually die. We finally made our way back. Say hi. What sucked about that was as far down the mountain as we went, we had to go back up, right? But we finally got back on the trail. We found the iconic Mystic Beach suspension bridge, which is what we're on right now. And it's so humid right now because it's been raining for the last couple days. We're so hot. My glasses are so fogged up. You guys can see that. Oh, but it's so worth it to be here, guys. Well, it started raining pretty good. While we were under the canopy, it was here and there, but now that we're hitting clear patches, it's really starting to come down.
Bring up my gear.
But it's perfect weather, man. It's September. The weather forecast told us it's going to be 13 degrees all day. I brought my jacket because I didn't want to get wet, but honestly, I don't mind. This temperature's great and it helps cool me down and whatever. Whatever. I won't die. Well, I almost did twice. Oh, John almost died right there. Eee. It's dicey out here. You know what? I feel like the rains just started coming out in this area. So if you see this anytime soon, get out and explore. Because it's not actually that muddy yet. It's a lot of puddles, but the water really hasn't like penetrated in to create a lot of mud. That's nice. Usually this trail is just caked with mud. Oh, we made it to the stairs that lead down to the beach finally. That's nice. Oh, missing stairs. Oh, look at this. So sketchy. Oh, man. Sorry for the overexposed sky and stuff. I know my last video was about ND filters, but it's too wet and I don't want to just trap water inside between the lens and the ND filter. Oh. It's nice to be somewhere where we can hear the water now. Finally escaping the city and getting out here. It's so nice. So the plan for us being out here, once we get to the beach, is to focus on cinematic storytelling.
That's right.
So yeah, I don't know. We're just starting, so we don't have really like a plan or anything. But I'm sure we'll make something.
Yeah, just get content and do everything later on.
That's right, man.
Just do shoot stuff, get out there, you know,
and then we'll figure it out once we get back.
That's right.
But you can smell the salt water now, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh boy.
Taste it.
Oh, I want to get down there. We'll see you guys down on the beach. Okay guys, hey, thanks for watching. The ending to that video, I kind of ended abruptly right after showing my cinematic storytelling. Once we got down to the beach, it turns out we didn't have as much time as we thought. We didn't really get to showcase and show off all of the beach, but I will be posting more content on my Instagram. So you guys go and check that out. It's right here at Phil Favel. I'll be posting the content there. So make sure you go there, give me a follow, and then like those posts once it gets up. And you'll see more of the beach. Yeah, we just kind of ran out of time. We'll definitely be going there again. I'll definitely be going there again. That's actually one part of a bigger trail called the One to Fuca Trail that I want to hike at some point. It takes 2 to 3 days to do, so I think it would be a lot of fun. Yeah, I wasn't trying to clickbait the video or anything like that, so I've already heard some feedback about that, but that's just how it ended. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, if you like the cinematic, hit the subscribe button below and the bell beside it. I don't know if it's this way or that way. Hit the bell beside it so you're notified of my upcoming videos. Leave a like on this one and a comment telling me if you've been to Mystic Beach or not. I'd love to know how many of you guys have actually been there. And then we'll see you on the next video. Thanks, guys.